My name is Jeffrey Hanina, and today we'll be introducing the installation process of our 60-inch Elite runner light to be installed on a 2024 Chevy Tahoe PPV street appearance package. Let's jump right in. Once you've unboxed the 60-inch runner light, the next step would be to carefully remove the OEM trim panel from the running board. Once the vehicle reaches its end of service life, you can easily remove your side running board lights and reinstall your trim molding. So keep it around in a safe place. Thoroughly clean off your running board with a rubbing alcohol or a similar type of cleaner to remove all debris from the running board. Using a 3/16 drill bit, properly drill your first mounting hole. Using a 5/16 drill bit, carefully drill an exit hole for your wire harness in the second layer of the running board. Carefully open the 3M adhesion promoter. Utilizing the included applicator sponge, please apply ample solution to the area in which you've removed the OEM trim panel. Once applied, please allow up to 5 minutes for this solution to dry properly before you install your 60-inch runner. At this point, we're ready to apply our new running light. Carefully remove the backing to the 3M adhesive, not all the way. This is so that you can line up properly with the pre-drilled holes that you've already configured your running light, so it's nice and smooth and inside of the channel, so it looks like an OE fit. You can get somebody to assist you with this step, or if you're careful enough, it can be done all on your own. What I like to do, if doing it alone, I like to insert the push pin into the end cap and then carefully align that with your pre-drilled hole. Once that's done, you can slowly line up the portion of the running light that you've peeled back your 3M adhesive covering on. Firmly apply pressure to that component for 10 to 15 seconds. Continue to carefully pull off the coating without allowing your running light to be pushed against the running board. So this is done so that the alignment is proper once your installation is complete. Carefully make sure that you're aligned with the top of the channel that was created by removing your trim molding. Make sure that your end cap is properly aligned with the pre-drilled hole. Make sure that you apply ample pressure to your new running light to make sure that it adheres properly. Use a small flathead screwdriver to firmly seat it in place. Align properly the center plastic pushpin screw and carefully turn it gently using a hand tool only, and allow the screw to open up the tabs on the back of the pushpin. Please make sure you don't over tighten this. Once your wire harness is properly routed through the back of your running board, please enter the vehicle using proper EVT standards. We highly recommend using a black RTV silicone to add a layer of protection and durability to the top and bottom of your new running light. The Elite Runner Light is capable of integration into most of the industry-leading siren controllers. It can be programmed into multiple color configurations, flash patterns, and warning modes.